Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to trade on Quantower. And for this, what we're going to do first of all is link and broker. So let's say right here we go to DX feed, and then you will find right here a lot of brokers that we can use to trade right here on Quantower. So in my opinion, if you want to trade right here, what we're going to do is select right here IC market, for example, then click here on connect with demo or real account, and then do connect, and then make sure that you log in right here with your account. So for now, my DX feed is fine, so I will use this to show you exactly how you can trade. But if you want to use a broker, make sure that you log in right here on this list. Then after this, what we're going to do is right here, you see here a toolbar, and this toolbar is having some shortcuts. And if you click on the tower, you see right here exactly which shortcuts are standing right here. If you want to remove a shortcut, then simply click right here on this favorite icon, and then you can remove it right there in the top. So that is how it works. But let's say for now, we delete this option and we go to Quantower and we want right now the chart. Then we click on chart, do full screen, select right here the time frame of 3 months, and now we are having here a nice chart. Then if you want to create or sell a position, we can do this on 2 ways. We select right here on the most right toolbar, and then you will see right here a lot of information. Then we can select right here the quantity. Then if you go down, we can select right here if you want to create or sell a stop loss by clicking on it, enable it, and fill in right here the stop loss. We can also do a trailing stop loss if you want to do that. If you don't want to do a stop loss, you can go down and click right here and enable take profit. You can also do both if you want to do that. But for now, I'm just showing you how to trade. So I disable both. And then after that, we can go down, and then you have some placing strategies right here. So you can do a limit if touched or time split. You can decide right here which strategy you want to use. And then after that, it's quite simple. Select right here which type you want to use. So for a buy order, select here the ask, the bid, or the market. And for a sell order, you can select right here ask, bid, or a market order. And then click right here which one you want to use. So let's do, for example, right now the buy market order. Then he's asking you buy market GTC1 for account US dollars. Then we do yes. And then normally you can create yourselves a position when you logged in with a broker or a demo account. What you also can do is go here to the tower, and then if you go right here to portfolio, you can see right here that you can show your positions. So right now, once you create it right here, you see here your position. And if you go back right here, you can also see right here some more options. And then the second way is if you go left in the top to order entry, you see right here a more specific order, and it's almost the same here in the right, but right now it's a little bit more clear in my opinion. And then you can decide right here the symbol that you want to use, then the account, then right here the order type, so decide which one you want to use. Then right here you can select buy or sell position, select right here the quantity, and then we can scroll down and enable right here a stop loss or a take profit. Select right here your placing strategy, and then you can click here on place order. Then do yes, and then he will place the order for you on the chart. And then after that, when you create yourselves a position, you go right here left in the top to the tower, and then at portfolio, select right here positions or order history, but for now positions is fine. And then you can find right here all your positions. If you want to close your position, you select right here close all, or close negative, or close positive, or close selected, and then you can close your positions. So this is in a nutshell how to trade right here on Quantower. And if you still have any questions about Quantower, please comment it below so I can help you out, or explain in the comment section how to do some options. If you still need to create yourselves an account on Quantower, please check the link in the description where I put a link to create yourselves an account, and then you support the channel too. Then for now, this was the video. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.